السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. With you Mr. حامد النجار from معالم التربية National School. Hello everybody for grade 5. I miss you very much. Today we are talking about future simple tense. Examples. Number 1, I will go to school tomorrow. I ask you a simple question. Where is the verb? The verb is will go. The verb is will go. Will go means that I start going to school tomorrow. Number 2, they will travel next week. Where is the verb? The verb will travel means that they start traveling next week. Number 3, she will cook lunch tomorrow. She will cook lunch tomorrow. Where is the verb? The verb is will cook. Will cook. Will cook means that she starts cooking lunch tomorrow. And I ask you another question. What follows will? Follows will. Go, travel, cook. Go, travel, cook. Is it noun or a verb? Yeah, good. It's a verb. Another question. Go, travel, and cook. The form is base form, ing form, past form. Who can know? Yeah, excellent. It's a base form. A base form. Now we note that will follows with base form. Base form. Now we'll move to number 2, structure. We notice that future simple structure is will plus base form. Will plus base form. Not another form. Not ing, not past participle. Again, the last time, future simple structure is will plus base form. Number 3, usage. When I ask you, what do you do with future? Or how we use future? Or when we use future? We use future simple to talk about action that will begin and end in the future. Again, we use future simple to talk about action that will begin and end in the future. Yeah. Number 4, marks. What's marks? Marks, these are some words. If we see it in a sentence, we know that the sentence is a future simple. A future simple. Words like this, like what? Like tomorrow, next, plus a period of time. The last one, in the future. We have three words: tomorrow, next, plus a period of time, like day, month. We can say next month, next day, next year, next summer, and so on. And the last one, in the future. And we may have another words, any words which express future. This is a mark for future simple. Now we'll move to number 5, negative. If I ask you to make negative of a sentence with future simple, what will we do? It's an easy thing. We add not after will. Only add not after will. For example, number 1, I will go to school tomorrow. It will be I will not go to school tomorrow. We add the word not only before after will. Number 2, they will travel next week. They will travel next week. It will be they will not travel next week. We add also not after will. Number 3, she will cook lunch tomorrow. It will be she will not cook lunch tomorrow. We add not again. It's easy thing. Number 6, contractions. What's the meaning of contractions? Contractions, these are some words like the words but in a simple way. Will, it will be apostrophe ll. We pronounce it like this, l. They will travel next week. They will travel next week, or they'll travel next week. They'll travel next week. And will not, the contraction, it will be won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. Will not, it will be won't. She will not cook lunch tomorrow. We can say she won't cook lunch tomorrow. Won't instead of will not. Good. Now we'll move to number 7. Yes or no questions. If I ask you to make a question with yes or no question about future simple tense. Number 1. I will go to school tomorrow. What will we do? We exchange between the subject and will. Where is the subject? The subject is I. And we will exchange between I and will. It will be, will you go to school tomorrow? Will you go to school tomorrow? Before we know I, it will be you in the question. Number 2, they will travel next week. Who can make it? It's easy. We exchange between will and they. The question, it will be, will they travel next week? Will they travel next week? Number 3, she will cook lunch tomorrow. The question is, will she cook lunch tomorrow? Yeah, good. Now, if you want to answer this question, what's your answer? You can, number 1, you can say yes, yes I will, or no I will not. Number 2, will they travel next week? Your answer may be yes, yes they will, or no they will not. Number 3, will she cook lunch tomorrow? Your answer may be yes she will, or no she will not. Yeah. The last one, number 8, exercise, a simple exercise. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, my friend space play tennis next week. Won't, don't, doesn't. Which one? Who can answer? The correct answer is won't. Why won't? Because we have next week as a mark for future simple. Number 2,